Hello. Question number 3. Okay, we've got a block moving in a circle at a constant speed. Which direction is the acceleration? So it's tempting, a very tempting, very wrong answer is to go, oh, it's at constant speed. Where's my pen? Is to go, oh, well, it's at a constant. Where's my pen? I do want to add notes. Add a lot of notes. Okay, there it is. Constant speed. So you might think, well, if the speed is constant, acceleration is 0. Boom. Trick question, it's C. That's not right. Okay. It's moving at a constant speed in a circular path. Okay, so acceleration is a change in velocity. Okay, and velocity is speed and direction. So if you are changing the speed or the direction, you have an acceleration. So when we have constant speed, our speed isn't changing, but if we're moving in a circle, our direction's constantly changing, okay? Even if it's like constantly changing by the same amount, we're always turning with our wheel, like cranked like this, it still counts as like an acceleration. Okay, so which way is the acceleration? Well, our block is staying in the circle, so it's towards the center. It's a centripetal acceleration, centripetal. That is center seeking. Center seeking. Okay, so it is to the right. Maybe on a future test, he might ask which way is the instantaneous velocity. And that direction would be right here. They asked this on the AP test one year. The velocity is this way. Instantaneous velocity, it's always tangent to the circle. I've never thrown shot put, but I've thrown other things in circles just for funsies. If you have a marble and an embroidery hoop, this is fun. This is a lab we do in my classroom. But if you want to aim, you have to let go right when it is tangent to the current motion, okay? That's where it would go if you let go when the ball was right there, okay? That is the instantaneous velocity, okay? But this one was asking about the acceleration, so the correct answer is